welcome to this new vlog. Now Yves is driving to our next destination. This week will be a big of difference because Boris will get some rest and we will visit some family members who have a second home here in Catalonia. I hope you like this video too.
We're Anna and Yves and this is our self-converted fan Boris.
Together we're looking forward to epic adventures and we're glad you want to come with us.
So buckle up, it's going to be a heck of a ride.
Now we are at our first stop, Sakaro.
Take off that mask.
Put on your sunglasses.
And open the door because the clothes smell. It's been closed for weeks. There's the sea, Mediterranean. Finished lunch. We were in doubt having lunch in the van or here in the apartment. Still it feels weird being here, although we are only 2.5 weeks on the road, 2.5 weeks living in the van.
We love our Boris.
We love Boris. Chairs on the wheels. We love Boris and it feels weird to leave him behind.
That's true.
We are betraying Boris.
But it's time. After 2 weeks our van is really dirty outside, inside.
Yeah.
So we will clean him completely before.
And to make up for it, we will sleep in the van.
Yeah.
Keep sleeping in the van. Good morning, everyone. It has been a slow morning so far. We are enjoying the perks of having more space. I am editing the Barcelona vlog while Anne is making some coffee back in the kitchen. We have a nice view from the terrace. Later on I'll have a break, drink coffee. And this afternoon we go for a little walk to the village next to this one, along the beach. It's a beautiful day.
I love making coffee.
Coffee break, coffee break.
These are very popular. It's a cartoon in Belgium. And I had something from the patisserie. Oh, love everywhere. This apartment was for years the second home of my aunt and uncle. Now it's up to the younger generation to enjoy this place.
Bye bye Boris.
Bye.
Going for a walk. It's late afternoon now to the neighboring village.
Yep.
I'm going to walk along the sea. Beautiful path. And if our timing is correct, we will be there at the end of the siesta. So shops will be open, cafes will be open.
Sakaro is not an ordinary stop on our trip with Boris, but Sakaro is very important for me. It's my first holiday abroad. I came here when I was 1.5 years old with my family and I made my first step on this path we're taking now. And not to forget, that's the place I had my honeymoon.
Yeah, honeymoon! Honeymoon! This is a walk we have probably done a dozen times, but this walk still keeps amazing us.
Yep.
See, traditional architecture, the sea on the other side, the Costa Brava, the wild coast, shaded by pine trees, the smell of the sea and the trees.
Sagaro's natural environment leaves no one indifferent. Its coastal path is one of the most beautiful on the Costa Brava. Cleaning day, guys. Boris needs a bath. So it's time now to clean it. Good weather. Just open the door.
Good morning on this Sunday morning, beautiful day. It has been a lazy morning so far, right?
It's beautiful, yeah, very lazy.
But finally we were able to drag our feet out of bed and we're going to walk to the Sunday market in San Filio de Gixels.
One of the most beautiful places around where we stay.
Yeah, very atmospheric town, very local market. Going to buy some groceries for our risotto tonight.
This market is very popular with locals and tourists. If you're looking for cheap things, this is the place. And to finish our morning at the market, we drink 2 copas de
Eva. Cheers. Okay, doors closed, back to the van, but not yet back to full-time van life.
Nope.
No.
To next family stop.
Next family stop, my aunt, 1 hour up north. Might be an upgrade from this apartment. Come along.
From Sagaro it's only an 80-kilometer drive up north to Empuriabrava.
It goes driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know.
Great to see Daniel, Yves' auntie Martine and their friends back. We're welcomed like kings. First on the list, a meet and greet with Boris. This house has its own swimming pool. We don't hesitate. It's time for a swim.
So we arrived a few hours ago, enjoyed the first pool session. Now we're going to change in our clothes.
Speakers.
Have a drink, speechless. Have a drink,
Speechless.
go to a restaurant. Yeah, we will enjoy perks of some luxury next few days. Swimming pool, family and friends around. Looking forward to these days, and afterwards we go back to Lorette, have our locks installed, because A few days ago we went to Lorette Mar, ordered a few locks to offer some extra security to Boris. After that, it's back van life. Not bad, right? Good morning, guys. Still at my aunt's and a friend's place. Yesterday I was feeling a bit under the weather because too much food and too much alcohol, but today I'm fine, had a good night's sleep. What I'm doing today, have a visitor.
Yes, came back from shopping.
And to the bakery.
To the supermarket bakery. They love the bread from the supermarket.
Fresh bread.
I hope they're fresh.
Bread in Spain is fantastic. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to switch gas bottles because there's another system here in Spain compared to Belgium. Took that out. Filling up the water tank. This afternoon I'm probably going to a gas station to buy a new bottle. So not much happening today.
Present for you?
Present for me. I really like this.
Vegan tortilla.
Vegan tortilla.
Really good.
Normally it's potatoes and egg, but this one is potatoes and chickpeas. Delicious.
Today we were in search of propane gas. It was a real search, not that easy to find.
Because we needed a new bottle. We didn't have one to change. But at the end, with asking around, they directed us to the right shop. So let's try this. Had to buy a new connector as well because it's different with Belgium.
But it's a much bigger one than we had before. Every day we check out another restaurant to have lunch or dinner. Dining out is very common in Yves' family and we love to eat too, so this is a perfect match. They know the good restaurants to go to. After dinner there's time left to relax at the swimming pool and to watch the sunset together.
We arrived in the medieval town of Castella for our farewell dinner. First we have a little walk to the city before putting our feet under the table.
This is the end of this vlog.
And the end of our week with family. Tomorrow
We go...
to Repeat Van Life starts again.
Oh yes.
And now for real. See you there.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Don't
See
forget.
you next week.
Bye guys.
Bye.